In this video, we are going to see that if you want to enable or disable the plugins in Google Chrome, here's what you can do. So on the main Google Chrome page, what you can do is just click on this three dots on the top right and just click on the settings. And once we are in here, we simply search here in the search settings for site settings. Here it is, and it controls what information sites can use and show, location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Just go ahead and click on that. So if we scroll down, you will see in the content, you can see different plugins, whatever is associated with this. But let's take the example of JavaScript as a plugin. So let's say if you want to disable that, just go ahead and click on this and just set it to don't allow the sites to use JavaScript or whatever plugin it is, and just go back to make this effective, or even restart the application or Google Chrome to make this work. And the other method is for professionals. So I don't usually recommend this, but you will go to Chrome, // flags, just write that. And you can also search it from here, for example, JavaScript. So until and unless you know it properly, whatever you are doing, you can just enable or disable it from here as well. You can reset all the settings as well to the original state. But that's how you do it. This is how you can enable or disable any kind of plugin in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.